Hey guys, today we are in Volkswagen. It's a Golf MK7 with DSG transmission, but this shift knob design is a common part for most Volkswagen cars. So today we are going to try to replace the gear shift knob. We have the standard one with leather sides and aluminium top, and over here I have some replacement parts. I have this GTI style, maybe a little bit more aluminium over here. I have this set of 3 parts and a prying tool that will be helpful during this modification. I got those from Banggood, and over here you can see how the online store looks. It's $20, and we are going to try to replace it. Over here I additionally have this leather version of the top cover instead of the aluminium one, so you can go with all leather if you just replace this, or you can go with all aluminium, or you can mix and match those parts to accomplish your desired configuration. So first of all we need to remove this cover, and it goes upwards, so we need to pry it from the bottom. And I believe if I just squeeze this prying tool into this gap, it should pop up. So let's try it. Okay, that was easy. And right now we can check on the spare parts how they are held together. So there are four points, four mounting points that we need to pry on this part to remove it, and then squeeze this part in place to install it back. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we are going to try to pry it to remove it. Okay, so the bottom clip needs to go towards me, the top one to the front, and over here the top one towards me, and the bottom one I don't know yet how to access it, but maybe having those 3 released will be enough to remove this part. So the left side popped out, and I was able to I broke one of the mounting points, the easiest one to be honest, and the hardest one, this one, is I believe also slightly broken, but I believe I can use it if I want to use this, install it back again over here. But I'm going to replace it, and the deal was to access this last one, the 4th one. I've used it something like this. I placed it over here, squeezed it inside, and pry it from between those elements, and after some gentle wobbling, it just was released. Okay, so let's do the second one and then replace it with the new one. And the second one was actually a lot easier because I just reached from this side and pried the remaining clip, and right now all 2 sides are off. The top cover is of course off, and we can install the new one. And easy enough, it's done. As you can see, I've switched from the chrome one to the leather one, the top cover, and installing the side covers was as easy as positioning them at the correct place and pushing them into the spot on here until you hear those 4 clicks from each side. And right now it's installed firmly, and installing the top cover is as easy as removing it. All you need to do is position it and push it downwards. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find a link to online store when I got those, where I got those replacement parts. And give me thumbs up for this simple tutorial. Hope you like it, and see you soon in future videos.